friends, we're going to be doing Sunny and Basil from Omori. Now, there's a lot going on here. So here's where their little heads are going to be. And we got some shoulders and some arms. Okay. And the figures are going to overlap a little bit. Okay, so hopefully you're having a hard time seeing this because I'm doing it real light. I think that's pretty good. I kind of know where everything goes now. All right, so to start with, I'm going to start with, is this Sunny, the light-haired character? I'm not sure. But we're going to start with a V for her hair, his hair, its hair. And then I'm going to draw a line kind of going down, and zigzag, 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 coming up. Got a little, there we go. And then we're gonna come down on this side, a little droopy piece here, zigzag, and back up. There we go. Then I'm gonna draw a little curvy line right here, little earpiece there. She got circle eye. Sorry if it's not a she, I'm not sure what I'm doing. And another circle eye. And then they've got some eyebrow thickums. Thick, thick, thick. And I'm not sure what that is. Okay. Then got a little mouth. Just like that. Then underneath, got a little collar. Kind of just like that, a little something, pretty minimal. Neck, and here's the jacket, just like so, boink, boink. And we got the other side of the jacket. And then the jacket comes around and down and across, and then it comes down out here. Got a sleeve that runs right into that. And we've got a little rectangle here. And you know, when you're drawing clothes, you don't want to draw real super straight lines, except for like, you know, like where the jacket goes together here. Yeah, that's straight. But otherwise, like sleeves and stuff are really kind of curvy and organic. There we go. All right, here's the hand. So it's gonna come down, around, and we're gonna come over and draw a thumb. And then just some little suggestions of a hand. And then we got some pants here. And got a shirt that you see the bottom of here. Here's the other leg. Here's the other leg. Here's the side of the leg. Like that. All right, we're gonna let it rest. Maybe do the side here. Yeah, let's do that. Double line that, like a zipper or something. And how's this go? Down. So, okay. Now I gotta kind of pause that. Now I'm going over to this character. So, coming across, and we got kind of a fancy V, and comes down, down for the hair, comes across, here, ear, face, kind of a V, comes back up, Maybe a little ear there. Oh, this one's got fancier eyes. All right, so I got some circles that are blacked in and some eyebrows back there. And this one, the eye is smaller because he's kind of, or it's turned to the side. And they got the black hair, so I'll color that in later. I got some little fluffs coming out. All right, then we have a little neck here, little mouth, and I think they got their jackets at the same store. They look alike. They're from the same place. And here's this one. It's kind of like a organic kind of shape and cross. And this one comes up like that. Comes down, around. Here's the sleeve. It's kind of, they got their hands in their pocket. And then, there we go, there's one. And then this one kind of comes down. Like that. Got a double line in here. Got a little logo here. And then this one comes down, around, and comes back up. Double line for the pocket. And we've got this one coming back up, down. There we go. Some little foldies. Good. Oh, yeah, they definitely got their jackets at the same place. Some striped shirt here. Yep. Kind of a little shadowy thing underneath here. Yeah, all right. Then got the pocket, pants, fly, the pants, bendy lines, Okay, now we can go back to this one and finish it. And this comes out further, and then this comes down, a pocket line there, fold lines, and then yep, and then his hand, just like so. And we got a black spot there. We got a finger sticking out there. Done. Oh, and they're on the ground. All right. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And thank you for watching.